Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a poor farmer named Raghav and his wife. They were simple people who worked hard every day, but still, they could barely earn enough to buy food and clothes. One morning, while feeding his hen, Raghav noticed something strange. Inside the nest, instead of a normal egg, there lay a shiny golden egg. At first, he couldn't believe his eyes. He picked it up and showed it to his wife. This is real gold," Raghav exclaimed. His wife's eyes widened in shock and joy. They rushed to the goldsmith in the market, and sure enough, it was pure gold. The goldsmith gave them a large sum of money. From that day on, the hen laid one golden egg every morning. Slowly, the farmer and his wife's life changed. They bought good clothes, repaired their small house, and had enough food to eat every day. But as time passed, greed started to grow in their hearts. One evening, the wife said, "Raghav, we get only one golden egg a day. If only we could get all the eggs at once, we would be the richest people in the village." Raghav thought for a while and nodded, "You're right. Why should we wait every day for just one egg? Let's take them all at once." Blinded by greed, they decided to cut open the hen to take out all the golden eggs. The next morning, instead of waiting for the egg, they killed the hen. But when they opened her, they found nothing inside. There were no golden eggs at all. The magical hen was gone forever. The farmer and his wife were heartbroken. Not only had they lost the hen, but they also lost the daily golden egg that had slowly made their life better. In their greed to become rich quickly, they ended up poorer than before. From that day on, they realized their mistake, but it was too late.